Ready to unlock awesome new worlds and characters in Toca World using your Apple gift card? Let's dive right in. First, locate the Apple gift card you want to use. It probably looks like this. Now, gently scratch off the protective film on the back of the card to reveal the redemption code. Be careful not to scratch too hard. Next, grab your iPhone or iPad and open the App Store app. Look for the blue icon with the native sticks. Tap it to launch the App Store. Once the App Store is open, tap on your profile picture or initials located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Scroll down until you see the option Redeem Gift Card or Code. Tap on it. You'll now have two options: use your camera to scan the code or enter it manually. Scanning is usually faster. Point your camera at the code on the back of your gift card. If the scan doesn't work, just tap Enter Code manually and type it in. Great! Your Apple gift card is now redeemed and the credit is added to your Apple ID balance now. Let's open Toca World. Find the app icon on your home screen and tap on it to launch the game. Inside Toca World, head over to the in-app store. Browse the available locations, furniture packs, or character packs that you want to purchase. Once you find something you like, tap on it to purchase. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the purchase using your Apple ID balance. Confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password, depending on your settings. And that's it. Your in-app purchase is complete. Enjoy your new Toca World content and happy playing. Make sure to subscribe for more Toca World tips and tricks.